In the shape tool here, we have QR code tool. It's really interesting. If you click and drag and create a QR code, okay, now you can go to instant. What is this? If you scan with your phone, it just gives you a text, go to the URL or anything. So from here, you can click on, you can change the color. For example, I just make it exactly black, and then you can print it and then done. You have to go to the data, click on the data, and now you can create your data. This is in text. You can type any text and you can see based on your text it create QR code for you. Or the most useful is URL. You can see you can type your URL here, and if you click on this is a visit the target. Let's go to that website. This is Affinity. But now this address have been changed because this is now for Canva company. But you can type your website, for example, www.tutorialcells.com. Anyway, that one. Oh, sorry, I go suddenly to the text. Yeah, the data, and you can type your URL here. Nice. And you can give your phone number. You can give a SMS number and the message of that. A different email, WhatsApp, FaceTime, anything, Wi-Fi. You have to use password, anything that you want. Create that. vCard, anything that you want. But the most useful is URL because we want to scan with that and we bring our customer, for example, to the website. And done. And after that, you can print this in your work, in your card, anything. It's very simple and nice, and do a lot of things there. So this is QR code.